Hey guys, welcome back. Before we begin, please click the link in the description box to view my previous video, as you'll get a better understanding of what I'll explain today by watching my previous video. So let's begin. So, just a recap of what we did before. To make the sprite move 10 steps ahead, we'll first go into the events column and take this block that says when flag is clicked, drag it into the workspace, scroll back to the motions section and take this block that says move 10 steps, and when flag is clicked the sprite will move 10 steps ahead. So in the same way, I also told you that we can make it go to a specific point. So for that we must take this block that says go to x and then the coordinates and y the coordinates. So if I want to make this sprite go to the end, I will basically tell it to go to x 200, and when flag is clicked it goes to the end. So in the similar way, I can also make this process happen in a smoother manner. So for that, first I'll delete this block by either right clicking it or tapping with double fingers like this and clicking delete block. So then I'll adjust its coordinates by typing 0 for x over here and it comes to the center. This is another way you can move the object in Scratch. So to make the movement happen in a more smooth manner, I'll take this block that says glide 1 seconds to x coordinates and y coordinates and place it here. So I can take the x coordinates to be 200 and say I want you to glide 2 seconds to x 200 and y 0. So it will remain on the same plane for y, but it will shift 200 steps for x. So then I click flag and you see it takes 2 seconds to move from x0 to x200. So to bring it back, I can take another block like this and tell it to come back to x0 and come back in 2 seconds like this. So first it's over there and then it comes back. Now similarly, first I want it to go to the end, wait 1 seconds and come back. So for that I'll scroll down to the control section and I'll take this block that says wait 1 seconds and place it between this. So when flag is clicked, I want it to take 2 seconds and glide from x0 to x200 and the y coordinates to remain same. Wait 1 seconds over there and then come back in the same time 2 seconds back to the center, which is x0 and y0. So when I click flag, it goes, then wait 1 second and comes back. So this is a simple code about motion in Scratch. Now I can also add another thing in this. So what I want this sprite to do is glide 1 seconds to x200, wait 1 second and say something there and then come back. So then for that I'll go to looks and take this block that says say hello like this and place it here. So I can also delete this block because it's of no use, as I wanted to say it for 2 seconds. So I wanted to say hello for 2 seconds while it's waiting over there. So when flag is clicked, it moves, it says hello for 2 seconds and comes back. Now another thing I can do in motion for this sprite is make it rotate. So for that I'll take this block that says turn 15 degrees like this. So over here, I want it to glide 2 seconds to x200 and y0 in the same plane and turn 15 degrees, say hello, and then come back to the center. So I click flag, it goes to the end, turns 15 degrees, says hello, and comes back. Now let's let's make it a bit more complicated. So while it's over there, now let's add another feature of Scratch into this. So while it's at the end, I want it instead, I want it to say the x coordinates. I want I want it to say the x coordinates instead of hello. So for that, in motion, we'll scroll down and take this block that says x position and drag it into this. So now the basic code is, when flag is clicked, I want this sprite to glide 2 seconds to x200 and y0, turn 15 degrees, and then say x position for 2 seconds and glide back to the center, which is x0 and y0. So let's see how this works. So it goes there, it says 200, which is the position of x, and comes back. So we can clearly see that it said it right, as we had instructed it to go to x coordinate 200 right here. So these were some other features about Scratch. I hope you liked this video, and I hope it also helped you learn a bit more about Scratch. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Wait until my next video to learn a bit more about this. Thank you. Bye.